Matt the Mortgage Guy here. Want to record a quick video talking about FHA loans for 2 to 4 unit properties. Before I get into it, please do me a favor. If you like the content, press the like button. If you enjoy this video, want more mortgage videos, please consider subscribing. I try to put out 2 videos a week. Be as helpful and educational as possible while keeping it really simple, keeping it in layman's terms, taking what I know about mortgage and simplifying it for the general public. So that's that. FHA loans are a great loan, low barrier of entry where they're really flexible with credit score, and they only require 3.5% down. Now, what some folks might not know is besides getting in your first home with an FHA loan, what you can do is buy your first investment property. Here's the caveat when I say that. You have to live there. FHA is only if you're owner occupied, but here's the thing. Here's how you make it an investment property. You can buy a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex, a 2 to 4 unit with that same FHA loan, with that same 3.5% down payment. And for young folks, for new investors, this is an amazing strategy to not only buy your first home, but have it double as your first investment property. I've got folks who are able to buy a fourplex. They're gonna live in one unit, and sometimes their plan is, hey, I'm gonna live in this one, I'm gonna rehab it. When I lose this other tenant, I'm gonna move out of the rehab unit into that one and rehab that one while I can rent this one for a premium now that it's rehabbed. But here's the really good news about these loans is you're still only putting 3.5% down. Also, you get to use your income and projected income from these rental units, because you're going to be renting 3 of them and living in one in the example of the fourplex. So look into it if you haven't, or if you didn't know, or if you're interested in buying a 2 to 4 unit with an FHA loan. You can put the 3.5% down, and I mean, these things, when you look at the numbers, can be fantastic because you're buying a property for $300,000, your down payment plus closing costs, you're in it for less than 20. If while you're living there, the other 3 units pay the total rent, you're essentially free rolling and living for free. And in 2 to 3 years, you want to move out, you want to move somewhere else. Now you're renting all 4, and it's positive cash flow. It's paying you $1,000 a month, something to that effect. So these things can be great investments, and not for everybody. Not somebody who's got a family of 6 isn't going to necessarily move into one unit of a fourplex. But if you're young and you're an investor and you want a great way to get started, I highly recommend it. Any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Matt@mattthemortgageguy.com. Shoot me an email there. I'm happy to help. It's probably the best way. I've been trying to answer as many phone calls as possible, but I can tell you it's hard. So shoot me an email, Matt@mattthemortgageguy.com, or visit mattthemortgageguy.com, fill out a form, or shoot me a message there. We'll get back to you, help you any way that we can. Thanks for watching.